Welcome to our deep dive into the world of one of nature's most elusive and fascinating creatures, the chevrotain. Also known as the mouse deer, these tiny ungulates have some truly remarkable traits. Found in the dense undergrowth of tropical forests in Southeast Asia, India, and parts of Africa, chevrotains lead secretive lives, making them a rare and precious sight. Let's explore the intriguing world of these miniature marvels and uncover what makes them so unique. Journey back in time with us as we delve into the ancient lineage of the chevrotain. These remarkable creatures are considered living fossils, their anatomy holding clues to the prehistoric ancestors of modern ruminants. Unlike their deer relatives, chevrotains possess 4 toes on each foot, a primitive characteristic retained from their early ancestors. Their digestive system also reveals their ancient origins. While modern ruminants like cows and deer have a 4-chambered stomach for efficient plant digestion, chevrotains possess only 3 chambers, a more primitive digestive system closer to that of their ancestors. Perhaps the most striking difference lies in their head ornamentation. Lacking the antlers that grace their deer cousins, chevrotains have instead evolved elongated canine teeth or tusks in the upper jaw of males. These formidable weapons, more reminiscent of musk deer than true deer, are a testament to their unique evolutionary path. Their ancient lineage, reflected in their anatomy and physiology, makes the chevrotain a captivating subject of study, offering a glimpse into the evolutionary history of ruminants and the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. One cannot help but be intrigued by the chevrotain's most striking feature, their tusks. These elongated canine teeth, found only in males, protrude downwards from their upper jaw, giving them a somewhat vampiric appearance, hence the nickname vampire deer. But rest assured, these miniature marvels are far from bloodthirsty. The tusks, sharp and formidable, are primarily used in territorial disputes and battles for dominance among males. When rivals clash, the forest floor becomes an arena, the clatter of tusks against tusks echoing through the undergrowth. The size and prominence of the tusks directly correlate with a male's status and breeding success. Larger, more dominant males sport more impressive weaponry, increasing their chances of attracting a mate and passing on their genes. These fascinating adaptations highlight the intense competition and selective pressures that shape the lives of these elusive creatures. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of these diminutive dwellers of the forest floor. Chevrotains hold the prestigious title of the smallest hoofed mammals on Earth. Their diminutive size, rarely exceeding a foot in height, allows them to navigate the dense undergrowth with ease, disappearing like phantoms amongst the foliage. Among these miniature marvels, the Java mouse deer stands out as the smallest of them all, measuring a mere 45 centimeters in length and standing only 30 centimeters tall. This tiny ungulate could easily fit in the palm of your hand. Their compact size is a testament to their remarkable adaptation to their environment. It allows them to exploit niches inaccessible to larger herbivores, feeding on fallen fruits, leaves, and flowers that litter the forest floor. Their small stature also makes them less visible to predators, providing them with a crucial advantage in their constant struggle for survival. So, the next time you find yourself wandering through the rainforests of Southeast Asia, keep your eyes peeled for these masters of miniature, a testament to the incredible diversity of life found in even the smallest corners of our planet. Venture deeper into the forest and you might be fortunate enough to witness a peculiar and captivating display, the rhythmic drumming of the chevrotain. These seemingly shy creatures possess a secret language, a percussive symphony that echoes through the undergrowth. Using their tiny rear hooves, chevrotains can stamp the ground with remarkable speed and precision. These rapid-fire taps, sometimes reaching up to 7 beats per second, create a distinct drumming sound that serves as a crucial form of communication. The drumming serves a variety of purposes, acting as an alarm signal to warn others of approaching danger, a territorial display to deter rivals, and even a courtship ritual to attract mates. The specific rhythm and frequency of the drumming conveyed different messages, allowing these solitary creatures to communicate across the forest floor. This fascinating adaptation highlights the complex social interactions and communication strategies employed by these often overlooked creatures. The Chevrotain's life is a delicate dance between predator and prey, a constant struggle for survival in the shadowy depths of the rainforest. To evade the watchful eyes of predators, these elusive creatures have evolved an arsenal of remarkable adaptations, making them masters of camouflage and escape. Their diminutive size and cryptic coloration, often a mosaic of browns, greys and tans, allow them to blend seamlessly into the dappled light of the forest floor, rendering them nearly invisible to unsuspecting predators. But their skills extend beyond mere camouflage. When threatened, some species, like the water chevrotain, possess an astonishing ability to vanish beneath the water's surface. They can hold their breath for an impressive 4 minutes, seeking refuge in streams and rivers, even walking along the riverbed to evade capture. Their elusive nature and mastery of disguise make them a true challenge to observe in the wild, adding to their mystique and allure. The life of a chevrotain is one of solitude, a solitary existence, punctuated by brief encounters. Unlike their more gregarious ungulate relatives, these tiny creatures prefer to navigate the forest floor alone, their paths rarely crossing except for mating. Females bear the sole responsibility of raising their young, and even then, their parenting style is a study in efficiency rather than emotional attachment. A mother chevrotain can be found perpetually pregnant, capable of conceiving a new fawn just days after giving birth. These precocious offspring, often born singly, are miniature replicas of their parents, capable of standing and walking within hours of birth. The mother hides her fawn in dense vegetation, returning only to nurse, minimizing the risk of attracting predators. This strategy ensures the survival of both mother and offspring in the face of constant danger, and so the cycle continues, with each generation embracing a life of independence and resilience. A testament to the power of solitude in the heart of the rainforest. Chapter 7. Silent Signals. The Language of Scent. While the chevrotain may lead a largely solitary life, don't be fooled into thinking they lack complex social interactions. These masters of subtlety have developed a sophisticated communication system based on scent, a silent language that permeates their world. Beneath their chin, concealed amongst the fur, lie specialized scent glands, the key to unlocking their secret communication network. These glands produce a potent cocktail of chemicals, each with its own distinct message. By rubbing their chins against trees, branches, and even other chevrotains, they mark their territory, leaving behind an invisible but powerful message for other individuals. These scent markings serve as a silent warning to rivals, a clear demarcation of territorial boundaries. But scent isn't just about defense, it's also about romance. Females use their scent glands to signal their receptivity to potential mates, their alluring aroma wafting through the forest, a silent invitation for a fleeting encounter. Chapter 8. A Rose by Any Other Name. The Chevrotain Identity. The chevrotain, a creature of many names, has long been a source of fascination and confusion. Referred to interchangeably as mouse deer and chevrotain, their true identity has been a subject of debate. The term mouse deer, while endearing, is somewhat misleading as they are not closely related to either mice or deer. This nickname arises from their diminutive size and mouse-like appearance, with their small hooves, rounded bodies, and quick darting movements. Chevrotain, on the other hand, is derived from the Middle French word chèvre, meaning fawn. This term is becoming increasingly favored by scientists and naturalists, particularly for species with distinctive pale spots or stripes adorning their upper coats. Regardless of their name, one thing remains certain. The Chevrotain, in all its diminutive glory, is a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. Chapter 9, Guardians of the Undergrowth, a call for conservation. As we conclude our journey into the secretive world of the Chevrotain, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. These elusive creatures, so perfectly adapted to their rainforest homes, are increasingly threatened by habitat loss, deforestation, and hunting. Their once secure world is shrinking as forests are cleared for agriculture, plantations, and human settlements. This loss of habitat forces them into smaller, more fragmented areas, increasing competition for resources and making them more vulnerable to predators. Illegal hunting for their meat and the pet trade also poses a significant threat to their survival. Their small size and docile nature make them easy targets, and their slow reproductive rates make it difficult for populations to recover from overhunting. The plight of the Chevrotain is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. By raising awareness about these fascinating creatures and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure their survival for generations to come. Outro farewell to the vampire deer, a call to action. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the secretive world of the Chevrotain. These miniature marvels, with their ancient lineage, unique adaptations, and elusive nature, remind us of the incredible diversity and wonder that the natural world holds. By understanding and appreciating these often overlooked creatures, we can become better stewards of our planet and ensure their survival for generations to come. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content.